Hello, Ms. Marvin here with Printi-Parts. Today we are showing you how to install our Jeep TJ sliding window latches like this, available in a variety of colors, made here in the USA. Today we'll walk you through our easy to follow instructions and show you how it's done. Come with us and let's take a look.
Needed to do this repair are either a pick, like the one shown here, or a basic one will work as well. A flathead screwdriver, again like this, or a smaller one will work. And our latches, sold in sets of 1, 2, or 4. Let's do the repair. When doing the repair with a pick, it is best to slowly slide the window back so that you can have a nice, easy to work with environment. You'll put the pick in the top, pry up very gently on the housing, and out comes the old one. From there, the reversal is rather simple. You put our latch in, and you're done. Not too much to fuss with. You'll see they're tight and work great. Just like with the pick, you want a nice, clean, easy to work with environment. So we start with the window latch back. We then grab our flatheads and repeat the process in a very similar manner. Pry up gently on the housing and out comes the old latch. Then you just put ours in just like before. Still as strong, still as durable.
And just like that, it's done. Our latches are easy to install, made in the USA, durable and reliable. For more info and to purchase your own sets, please go to Printi-Parts.com, and we look forward to showing you our next install in the next video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.